So, hello friends, today I Swayam from Odisha, and today I am going to share you an application that I have made using some codes. This is one mobile application and we named it Age Calculator. So I will tell how it works. So here if we enter our age, here it is written enter your age in years. So first one, then we will enter our age, like my age is 12 years. So here it will show the age in hours. So first I will click on calculate, and here it showed that I am 1,05,120 hours old. So by this application you can also know your age and how many hours you are old. So thank you for our for watching our video, and please like and subscribe our channel. Thank you.